Hey guys, how are you? It's my first time posting in this group, and I'm just honored and blessed to be able to post in here, and want to give a shout out to one of my best team members, Tucker, for WADA. And I know it's his group, but I had to put this out there because I had to show people live what he has done for me. Just so you understand, over the last year and a half, I've worked so hard in my business, creating passive wealth and how to raise money, all the money you need for your real estate deals. And I've had a ton of people try to work with me, and I've lost a ton of money. And I was lucky enough to find Tucker in 2018, mid-year. And over the last 14 months, I was struggling before, but since I got with Tucker, I just want to give you a quick showing, real quick, live of what we're doing right now. So here's my Stripe account, guys. Look where we're at. Gross volume, 162 new customers, 161 payments. Average revenue per customer is $1,020. Okay, net volume, 90 grand after the cost. But look where we're at, guys. We just cleared the $100,000 mark. And really, most of this did not happen until Tucker came on board, probably around July, August with me. So anyone that's thinking about using him, I would definitely recommend him. He's somebody who's going to work you hard. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be well worth it. And you know what? 2020 Funnel Hacking Live, Tucker and I will be standing on stage with the 2 Comma Club Award because we got a lot of things in the works here. We got our webinar coming out. We got our event contest coming out. We have our book launch coming out. So Tucker's on top of it. He's dealing with my craziness, and he's taking us to the next level. Thanks, Tucker. I love you, bud.